In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply session breaks inside of MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5 inside of your computer, and then from here you'll need to log into your account. From here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up and find the specific chart that you want to apply the session break for. And to do that, you'll simply need to click on it, and then right click on it, and then click Properties. You can also, as a shortcut, click F8 on your keyboard. From here, it should look something like this. And here you will see the common, the show, or the colors over here. Once you have found this, you'll need to go over to show, and then you can see here you can show tickers, for example, quick trading buttons. But to add session break, you'll need to go down to show period separators. Once you click on that, you'll see these white dotted lines here on your chart, and these lines are a session break. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!